In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpin video on Zoom. If you've pinned someone's video during a Zoom meeting and now want to return to the normal gallery or speaker view, the good news is that it's very quick and easy to do. Pinning a video keeps one participant's camera feed fixed on your screen, which can be helpful during presentations, lessons, or meetings. But once you no longer need that person to stay highlighted, you can simply remove the pin in a couple of different ways. The first method is to click directly on the pinned video window on your screen. When you move your cursor over that video, Zoom will usually show a small option that says Remove Pin. Go ahead and click that, and the video will immediately return to the standard meeting layout. This is often the fastest option, especially if the pinned participant is already clearly visible on your screen. Another easy way is to right-click on the pinned participant's video. When you do that, a small menu will appear with several options related to that participant's video feed. In that menu, click Remove Pin. As soon as you select it, Zoom will stop forcing that video to stay in focus, and your view will go back to the regular meeting display. There's also one more method you can use if you prefer working through the participant controls. Look for the three dots next to the participant's video or name. Click those three dots to open more options. From there, choose Remove Pin. This does the exact same thing, so you can use whichever method feels most convenient based on the version of Zoom you're using and how your screen is arranged. If you don't immediately see the option, try moving your mouse over the video tile first, because some controls only appear when you hover over them. Also, keep in mind that pinning and unpinning video affects only your personal view of the meeting. It does not change what other participants are seeing on their screens. So to unpin a video on Zoom, just click Remove Pin on the screen, right-click and select Remove Pin, or open the three-dot menu beside the participant and choose Remove Pin there. That's all it takes. And that's how to unpin video on Zoom.